Imagine sitting under the shade of a majestic mango tree, sipping a cup of fragrant tea that not only delights your taste buds but also offers a plethora of health benefits. Welcome to our channel, where today we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of mango leaf tea. But before we dive into that, let's take a journey back in time to uncover the fascinating history of the mango tree. The mango tree, scientifically known as Mangifera indica, has a rich and storied history that stretches back thousands of years. Native to South Asia, this magnificent tree was first cultivated in India over 4,000 years ago. Since then, it has spread across the globe, becoming one of the most widely cultivated fruits in tropical and subtropical regions. In addition to its delicious fruit, the mango tree holds a special place in traditional medicine and cultural practices. The leaves of the mango tree have been used for centuries in various cultures for their medicinal properties. In ancient Ayurvedic medicine, the mango leaves were valued for their ability to promote overall health and well-being. They were believed to possess powerful healing properties, and one of the ways they were used was by brewing them into a nourishing tea. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Take a handful of fresh mango leaves and wash them thoroughly. Boil 2 cups of water and add the washed leaves. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup or teapot. You can add a natural sweetener like honey or stevia if desired. For hair and scalp benefits, let the tea cool completely before using it as a hair rinse or applying it to the scalp. Now that you know how to prepare it, let's explore 15 remarkable benefits and the compounds responsible for them. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Mango leaves are a treasure trove of antioxidants, including phenols and flavonoids. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. By incorporating mango leaf tea into your routine, you can boost your antioxidant intake and support your body's natural defense system. 2. Regulates blood sugar. For individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, mango leaf tea can be a valuable addition to their regimen. The active compounds in mango leaves, such as mangiferin and quercetin, have shown promising effects in regulating blood sugar levels. They work by improving insulin production and the body's utilization of glucose, ultimately helping to manage diabetes and prevent blood sugar spikes. 3. Reduces cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels can increase the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Thankfully, mango leaf tea can contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. The leaves contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol from the diet. Additionally, the high fiber content in mango leaves aids in flushing out excess cholesterol from the body, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Supports digestive health. Digestive issues like constipation and indigestion can significantly impact our overall well-being. Mango leaf tea offers digestive benefits due to its enzymes that aid in breaking down proteins and supporting healthy digestion. These enzymes help alleviate issues like bloating, gas, and constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Including mango leaf tea in your daily routine can help keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. 5. Boosts immunity. A robust immune system is crucial for defending against infections and maintaining optimal health. Mango leaf tea can give your immune system a natural boost, thanks to its rich vitamin content. The leaves contain vitamins A, C, and E, which are known for their immune-strengthening properties. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off pathogens. By incorporating mango leaf tea into your diet, you can enhance your immune response and protect yourself against common illnesses. 6. Promotes weight loss. Mango leaf tea can be a valuable addition to a weight loss regimen. It contains compounds that help boost metabolism and aid in fat digestion, making it beneficial for individuals looking to shed excess pounds. Regular consumption of mango leaf tea can help increase the body's calorie burning capacity and assist in weight management. 7. Reduces hypertension. Mango leaf tea has been traditionally used to help manage hypertension or high blood pressure. The tea contains hypotensive properties that may help relax blood vessels and promote healthy blood flow. Regular consumption of mango leaf tea, along with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 8. Supports diabetes management. Mango leaf tea has been studied for its potential benefits in managing diabetes. It is believed to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin production and glucose utilization. If you have diabetes, consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating mango leaf tea into your routine. 9. Supports eye health. Mango leaf tea contains beneficial compounds like vitamin A, flavonoids, and antioxidants that can support and maintain good eye health. These compounds play a vital role in protecting the eyes from various age-related eye conditions and improving overall vision. Vitamin A, found abundantly in mango leaf tea, is essential for maintaining good eyesight. It aids in the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps with low light and night vision. Consuming mango leaf tea can contribute to the recommended intake of vitamin A, supporting optimal eye function. Flavonoids and antioxidants present in mango leaf tea, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, have been linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. In addition to consuming mango leaf tea, it's important to maintain a well-balanced diet that includes other eye-friendly nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. 10. Alleviates menstrual discomfort. Mango leaf tea has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual discomfort and provide relief from common symptoms associated with menstruation. The tea contains properties that can help soothe cramps, reduce inflammation, and promote overall comfort during this time of the month. Menstrual cramps, also known as dysmenorrhea, can cause significant pain and discomfort for many women. The antispasmodic and analgesic properties of mango leaf tea can help relax the uterine muscles, easing cramps and reducing pain. Drinking mango leaf tea during menstruation may provide natural relief from menstrual cramps, allowing for a more comfortable experience. In addition to relieving cramps, mango leaf tea may help reduce inflammation in the pelvic area, which can contribute to overall discomfort during menstruation. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in mango leaves can help alleviate swelling and reduce the intensity of symptoms such as bloating and abdominal discomfort. 11. Supports heart health. Mango leaf tea may contribute to heart health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help reduce oxidative stress, lower cholesterol levels, and support cardiovascular function. Regular consumption of mango leaf tea, as part of a heart-healthy lifestyle, can help promote overall cardiovascular well-being. 12. Enhances cognitive function. Mango leaf tea contains compounds that may support brain health and cognitive function. It is believed to have neuroprotective effects, which could help prevent age-related cognitive decline and support memory and concentration. Including mango leaf tea in your diet may help enhance brain function and mental clarity. 13. Provides anti-cancer potential. Preliminary studies suggest that mango leaf tea may possess anti-cancer properties. The presence of bioactive compounds, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, in mango leaves may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain cancers. However, further research is needed to fully understand the potential anti-cancer effects of mango leaf tea. 14. Alleviates joint inflammation. Mango leaf tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Regular consumption of mango leaf tea, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle, may provide relief from joint pain and improve joint mobility. 15. Supports hair and scalp health. Mango leaf tea can be beneficial for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. It is believed to strengthen hair follicles, promote hair growth, and reduce scalp issues such as dandruff and itchiness. You can use cooled mango leaf tea as a hair rinse or apply it directly to the scalp for nourishment and to promote healthier hair. As with any natural remedy, individual results may vary, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating mango leaf tea into your routine, especially if you have any specific health concerns or are on medication. Sit back, relax, and savor the flavors of this delightful tea while reaping its numerous health benefits. Mango leaf tea is not only a delicious beverage but also a natural elixir for your health. So, why not incorporate this ancient remedy into your daily routine? Try brewing a cup of mango leaf tea and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the health benefits of mango leaf tea, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. And remember, nature has provided us with incredible remedies, and it's up to us to explore and make the most of them. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of mango leaf tea. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the amazing benefits nature has to offer.